Hey everybody, welcome. It's Mr. Vogel coming at you live with a hot take on science fiction themes 2019. So I've noticed we've had a little issue with understanding what theme is when we're reading a book or a story, so this will help you understand that. So, first thing you need to know, what is theme? The theme is the life lesson of the story. What is it teaching you about life? It could also be said as the main message of the story. What is the point the author is trying to make to you? You can learn this or think about your theme by looking at what the character's actions and beliefs are and how they go about solving their world or their problems with the conflict of the story. So anytime you're reading something, you want to think, what did this story teach me about life? So it's always about big picture, the world that we live in, what can we take and then apply to life that the author is trying to teach us. So one example, and I'll use the story Harrison Bergeron. You look at first what you know about the story. So what do we know? Well, we know that this story, Harrison Bergeron, takes place in a dystopia. It's a future world where everybody has been made equal by handicapping all of their special abilities. No one is stronger or smarter or better than anyone else in the world. Which sounds nice, except this makes everybody's life miserable because they have to carry around heavy bags, they have to wear ugly masks, they have to wear headsets that drown out all of their deep thinking. So, what the author Kurt Vonnegut is trying to teach us is the theme of the story. So one possible theme could be we should celebrate what makes people special. We should look at people's special abilities and talents and admire them for it and try to learn from them and make the world a better place instead of being jealous. Another possible theme is that, yeah, equality is great. We really want equality, but equality should be about equal opportunities and not about equal abilities. So that should help you understand theme. So if you're reading Unwind and you're trying to think of the theme, first thing you need to do is think, okay, what do we know? What do we know about the story? In this story we have a dystopia where kids can be unwound between the ages of 13 and 17 if their parents choose them to do so, or if they're not fitting in their orphanage, or if they're being tithed by their parents. The problem with this is we still see a bunch of unwanted births and children coming into the world. There are strange results happening with the implants, and in some cases, like for Lev, there are human sacrifices being made. So what is this story trying to teach us? What is the theme? One theme could possibly be patient with children because they're not finished products. As we see with Connor and Risa's case, they turned out to be pretty nice, good people that are worth having around in society. And even for Lev, who went the opposite way with it, we don't necessarily know what a child is going to be like as an adult, so we can't be making permanent decisions about their lives. Another is that even undesirables in the world can serve a purpose in society. So even people that you think are not going to turn into anything worthwhile can find out what their role can be. And finally, there is no easy solution to the abortion issue. It's something that's going to be discussed and debated for years and years, but as far as this author is concerned, even something as seemingly bulletproof as this unwinding solution doesn't actually turn out very well. So all of those are possible themes, but you could definitely come up with a different theme if you learned something else from reading this book. So you look at what the main characters have gone through in the book, the changes that they've made, and what that is teaching you about life and society. So as long as you can justify it with textual evidence, you could really come up with any theme that you think of. So that's it. I hope now you understand theme and you can write a good essay.